This is a wafer and this is a wafer. You can eat both of them, however chance of survival is slightly lower with one of them. This one was in possession of one great man, and he willingly gave it to me. Who knows, maybe I even return it to him. More interesting, what is it for? Why it exists? With current state of advanced technologies, we are not capable to recognize them without special tools. Maybe this shell is advanced technology, we just don't have special tools. Luckily, everyone today has microscope at home. Let's take a look. This looks like a text. Zoom, zoom, zoom. This is definitely text. AT19683. Let me rotate. This is ATMEL logo, and this is AVR 1997. AVR obviously stands for ALF and Weger RISC processor. AVR is a family of microcontrollers developed by ATMEL in 1996. So this wafer is one from early development. ALF Egil and Weger was studying here, Hogwarts. Official name was NTH. They developed their own RISC design and based their master work on it. After finishing education, they started to work at Nordic Semiconductor. But Nordic didn't want to take financial risk to develop chip. But they gave opportunity to find other investors. They traveled across the sea to Silicon Valley as their ancestors, but they used airboat. Probably it was SAS. They talked to ATMEL and promised profit. Promise was accepted and they built ATMEL office in Trondheim to implement their fantasy. In this building, they needed people, and by happy accident Trondheim has a lot of snow and a lot of technically educated people. Later Microchip bought ATMEL. Maybe they know what AT19 means. Unfortunately, they are closed today, maybe because it's Sunday. Google search was useless as well, so AT19683 will stay a mystery. Maybe if I will cut this wafer with scissors and I will solder wires, I can make hundreds of Arduino. Maybe. However, I can answer at least one question today. How to eat wafer? First, you split it in half. On one side you need to put a slice of brown cheese. Or maybe two. On the other side, a thin layer of prime. This is a liquid form of brown cheese. By the way, in the far, far future, we will have brown cheese in all three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Join. Bye.